Hello my friends, another video from this series, empty database. I load the configuration from the DOMs, then I recollect the totals as it is a fresh start, shift number 1. Then I log in as a cashier, and then I will make several fuelings on the same fueling point, on the same nozzle, on the same fueling point, and see what is happening. This was the first. Now it's calling, not authorized. I authorize it. It is starting dispensing. Then I log transaction, and then I pay and clear it. So, but now I will do a little cheat. I will make a transaction, then I will not lock it and pay for it, but I will clear it with the DemoPOS application that is a standard tool from DOMS for installation. And now you can see that that transaction disappeared. You can continue working. What's happened, it's happened. It's not paid for that fuel that it was dispensed, so it is like a kind of theft. And installation of DOMS should prevent any other computer in the network to connect to DOMS because of this possibility. So only this terminal can be allowed to connect to DOMS. And I made several more fuelings, regular fuelings with locking and clearing through payment. And if I want to see, can I detect what just happened? Oh, it is red, I see it.